Welcome back to another video, and today's video we got the first actual car meet of the season. So I'm gonna go to a car wash right now, give the car a quick little spritz and give it a quick little cleanup before we go. And we're just gonna show off some cool cars, I guess, and see what everyone has to show off today. So I don't know if there's gonna be many cars. I don't know anybody going, so fuck it. We're just gonna go enjoy the car scene. Hurry. All right, we'll go to the car wash real quick. Oh, she's a little bumpy over here. Make my way over. Old man with the Stang. All right, let's give this thing a quick little rinse and get ready to go there, see what everyone's up to. We'll go for 8 minutes. We're going to start with high pressure soap. This one's already better than the last car wash I went to because the last car wash had like no soap coming out of it. So this is nice. Oh, I probably should close that. That's sick. I had to stop real quick because that was a little distraction. I absolutely cooked my interior. Seatbelt on. All right, let's go. Side quest complete. Now we gotta go to the actual car meet. Let's go pull up to that. Got a couple whips here. I like the triple purple setup going on here. Is this yours? Yeah. Holy shit. You mind if I... All right, thank you.
Hop right in, man.
This thing's pretty sweet. What year is this?
29.
Yeah, that looks kind of new right there. Holy shit.
You guys gonna be cruising around a Volvo soon, aren't you?
There's a couple weapons down here though. This thing's pretty sweet. That's a nice BRZ. Couple of Hyundais, nothing crazy. Obviously, we can't forget the old reliable. Anything else cool here though? The old Jenny. The wrap truck. S5. That's different. The Alibaba lights. I swear, people see the camera and then they just do funky shit. I actually kind of like this BMW. I like the color. It almost looks gray on the camera, but it's like a blue. That's kind of different. I mean, there's nothing like crazy, but it seems like there's some chill people here, honestly. So I gotta say, I gotta love the triple black that's going on here, though. Black wheels, black car, black wheels, black car. Kind of fuck with that right now, though. Kind of sick lineup. I found my people. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it. All right, I think this is my cue to leave and go home. Honestly, that was not a bad little event. There was a couple cool cars there. It was kind of how I expected it to go. A couple cool cars, nothing crazy out of the norm. I was more surprised about how many people just was cool about the camera and were like going when this is the first time I actually went out in public and recorded a video. I was just kind of surprised on how many people just like see the camera and get out of the way. You know what I mean? Like they see you recording, and I had the microphone on like this, not like nothing different than right now, and they were just seeing you going with the camera and just moved. It's pretty cool that people just respect like that, and I had a couple people come up ask me about it, and a lot of people did respect the car in itself. I was quite happy about that because, I mean, I put a lot of work in the car. I love the car as much as everyone else does. So I'm kind of proud of myself for that. But this is like only the first little small beat. Kind of hoping a little bit more people were going to be there. Like I was kind of thinking the lot might have been like half filled up, but I mean, it wasn't a bad turnout. There was a lot of people coming and going. I did want to get the drone out and fly the drone, but it was a little windy and a little cold. So I just didn't really bother getting the drone out at the time. I'm gonna make my way home and clue up the video like normal. So I'll see you home. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the first car meet of the year that I went to. It was as expected, I guess. There was some cool cars, some cars. I mean, that's kind of how I expected it to go. So I'm not upset or mad. I got a pretty good video out of it, so I'm not overly mad. There's a couple cool cars, and I got a sub out of it, so sweet. And right now, I'm currently editing a video as we speak for tomorrow morning because today is Saturday night, and I want to have this posted in 12 hours. So I got to go ahead and edit this video, and I finished recording this video. I recorded 2 videos today, and I'm editing this one. I got a lot of videos coming, so I might soon start uploading every 2 weeks. We'll see what event. Oh, meetings. We'll see what events end up coming up within the next couple of weeks. How many videos I start posting, because just depending on how many events there are or like how many meets, you know, like just the car scene in general. I'll probably take my camera around with me a little bit more often. It's just a different vibe when you go to a car event with a camera. Like it's just, I don't know, people just notice it a bit more. I guess is the best way I can put it. But if you guys like this video, there's going to be more coming. I'm working hard at it. So if you guys enjoy this content, subscribe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.